You probably have a lot of questions about how things work, but don't worry. This is completely normal. The world is full of things that can be really difficult to understand, and that's why we're here to help explain a few things you probably see every day. So first, let's take a look at how computer works. What is a computer? If you've never used a computer before, that's okay. You will definitely use one in the future, and you probably know a few people, your parents or your teacher, who use computers all the time. But what is a computer? And what makes a computer work? A computer is a machine that takes information in and gives back new information. Think of a computer like a person. You can ask a person a question, they can think about your question, and then they can answer your question. This is a lot like a computer. But instead of words or questions, computers use numbers. A computer takes in many numbers, thinks about them, and then comes up with completely new information. Then, you can use that information to do all kinds of things like video calling your grandma or playing a video game. How computer works. Central processing unit. The most important part of a computer is called the central processing unit, or CPU. This is like a computer's brain. All of the information that goes into a computer must go through the CPU, where it is processed. A computer processes information like a person thinks about things. While the human brain is more advanced than a computer in many ways, they are actually pretty similar in the way they take in and store information. When numbers enter the CPU, the computer must figure out what to do with the information. Computers can figure out what to do because numbers and math are like the language that computers speak. For example, if your friend asks you, "What time is it?" you know how to respond. You can say it's 12:30. You speak the language, so you understand the question, think about it, and then answer the question. A CPU works in the same way. It takes in numbers, processes them, and then responds. Different parts of a computer. If you have ever used a computer before, you probably know that they have a few different parts. The main part of a computer is called the console. The CPU, hard drive, and other important parts are all inside the console. A hard drive is the part of a computer that stores all of the information. When your computer takes in a lot of information, it needs somewhere to keep all of it, and this is what a hard drive does. It keeps all of the information safe for later. In addition to the console, a computer usually has a keyboard, a mouse, and a monitor. The keyboard is the part that has many different buttons with numbers, letters, and symbols on them. You can use a keyboard to give the computer new information. For example, you can type in your name, and your name will appear on the monitor. The monitor is the part that lets you see what the computer is doing. You can watch videos, play games, read books, and surf the internet using the monitor. Finally, you have the mouse. This is the part of the computer that lets you point and click on different parts of the monitor. This way, you can have complete control over what you do on your computer. We hope this explanation helped. Computers are not as complicated as many people think. But remember, only use a computer with adult supervision. Thank you for watching. For more captivating content and to stay updated on all things from Enlightened videos, don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Join our community by clicking the subscribe button below. See you in the next video.